Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shoba fethu kunjani uJuju lo JU nothing less nothing more. Uphelele lapho.
Yebo baba.
Yabo.
Bafethu. On today's episode we're talking about Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs just played now against Chippa United away in Nelson Mandela Stadium. They played a draw 0-0.
0-0.
Yeah.
Qanda ngapha, qanda ngapha.
Sizakeleke wena.
Hey kabi awula idea.
Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Let's firstly talk about the Chippa United.
Yeah.
Chippa United. What do you make of their approach into the game?
No, Chippa actually surprised me. Not really necessarily surprised me, but I'm surprised about the way they played. I'm surprised about the way they gave their all in the match or in the game. I actually enjoy coaches like that. They come there in big games. They come in big games prepared. They have the game plan. They have a game plan, and I think the whole week the coach was drilling the players, guys. This is what we are going to do there. This is what we are supposed to do. We are going to win that game. I think the whole week was busy drilling his philosophy. Feeding his philosophy to the boys. So we are going to compete against the Chiefs and expect nothing but a win. It's unfortunate that they did not win and then they did not score. In fact, both teams did not score, unfortunately. So
Yeah. Better be over prepared than come unprepared. Yeah. Another thing to look at, maybe win the quality. What do you make of the quality?
Yeah, unfortunately, in all leagues, even the best leagues in the world, our levels are fun. The levels are not the same. Real Madrid's man is not like Girona's man. No, there's that. If Chippa had the budget of bigger teams, they would really compete and show it on the field. But unfortunately, their budget is not as Pirates, Sundowns, and Chiefs. They don't have that kind of a budget. You can tell on the field that they have players, but the lack of quality actually destroys or disturbs the game performance. So yeah, I think they just lack that thing. Otherwise,
but they sell their players because they do have good players. We will talk about Igodaro, who just came in for Chiefs for that matter. He comes from Chippa United.
The problem with small teams is that you sell your players to cover cost of the team
for the survival.
It's not like us. We sell more to just enrich a team. It's benefits. We're not going to spend that.
Maybe it's for survival as well.
We don't need that. We have sponsors all over the country. We have 100 sponsors. I'm kidding, but we don't survive. We are not like
we are in business.
We are in business.
Yeah.
So the dynamics are not the same. That's what I'm saying. But they sell players to maintain a team. Now we sell players to profit.
Okay, let's move on to Kaizer Chiefs because the Kaizer Chiefs, they actually played well. What do you make of Kaizer Chiefs from the lineup that they put out?
I'm a Orlando Pirates fan.
Yeah.
I support Orlando Pirates, but I've been saying this since the start of the league. Chiefs is performing, guys. Chiefs is playing nice football, beautiful football. I just don't know what's happening, what's wrong, what they lack, because they have everything. There's just something, there's just an element that is not there, that they don't have. So in all, Chiefs played the.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Chiefs is a work in progress. And you guys are mistaking the work in progress as in like it has reached. Yes.
Yeah.
It's not there yet. It's a fact. I'm not talking it as if like it's a fact. Chiefs is doing well, but they are not there yet.
Yeah.
Remember, you just bought Velebai. You just gave Vilakazi
great player.
an opportunity. He barely has 15 games under his belt. You know, those players need at least a season. You have them
Yeah.
who you don't play as often as you have to.
Came in as a sub.
Exactly. They've
know.
got those young players who
Yeah.
are there. They've got a squad. Don't get me wrong. They have a squad. They still have to beef up in some positions.
Yeah.
Like your center back, I still feel like they need to beef up that part of field, but they are a work in progress. Maybe they say even the coaches they still need to change the coaches, but that's
No,
everyone's
we
opinion.
don't need
That's
the coaches
you
to
know.
change. You need the coaches until the end of the season. They must not do that. You see, that's one they must not attempt.
Yeah, but
to do.
let's get into the game.
But yeah, I have to agree with you there. I have to really agree with you. They are work in progress, and then they started beautifully, and then excuse me, I think they somehow lost the momentum there. I don't know if it's because of my injuries or it's because of the new players, but they are working in progress.
Yeah, another thing that iChiefs ibisichomela ngayo because it's in a way. Eh, we got out of the CAF Champions League. We were knocked out, but it actually takes toll on their players now. If you check, they chop and change the players every now and again. Again, it goes back to the combinations, as we are saying that it's a work in progress. Combinations. Do they have the combinations?
Well, not really,
Exactly.
but at least they have that they have a squad depth. It's nice to see players playing in camp and then players getting an opportunity to play as well in the league. You know, I was actually surprised today that they started Uvelebai, then they started Fudo Villagas. You know, then Medi, Mabo, and
Yeah.
yeah, you see.
Da Silva Pambil.
And then Robano da Silva, Pambi. You see, they have players. They have that
The
thing.
the thing is when I'm this that I need to point out again. You see, Uti, it's a pity you have to make example with a working template. It's unfortunate,
Yeah.
but to be honest with you, don't get me wrong. I'm not derailing Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Mabuke Pirates, we get these results with the changes that are being made. But ungabancoma wena uthi they make changes, but the fans are not happy because they're not yielding the results. If you get what I'm saying.
You can't draw Confederation Cup and then come back to league and draw. Even if you're sitting in the squad,
Exactly.
there must be a difference. I get what you're saying.
Mm.
There must be different, you know. But at least I'm happy that they're giving players a chance. That gives the coaches, not the coach, the coaches, you know, an opportunity to actually assess. Okay, you can start umfundo, okanye you start umntu, okanye you start whoever. You know, they are trying, as you say, that they are working in progress. They are trying. They still trying to check what they can do.
Yeah. True, but we hope they get it right. But maybe next season, this season, there's someone who occupies the season. But wait, think of course, you don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with friends, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are there by YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, man. Everywhere. You can even call us if you like. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see you on another one.